Did you know that robots could one day perform surgery without a human hand, or that we could potentially edit human genes to eradicate certain diseases? Welcome to this journey into the realm of possibilities, where robotics and gene editing are not mere science fiction, but tangible realities shaping our future. Imagine a world where machines mend us and we mend our very genes. Intriguing? Absolutely. Terrifying? Maybe. Revolutionary? Without a doubt. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this captivating world of science. Imagine a world where robots aren't just figments of science fiction, but a reality. Welcome to the Robotics Revolution. We're living in an era where robotics is no longer confined to industrial assembly lines or the pages of futuristic novels. Instead, it has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping the way we work, play, and even interact with one another. From autonomous cars that whisk us to our destinations, to robotic surgeons performing intricate procedures with precision, the impact of robotics is profound and far-reaching. These aren't mere machines, they're intelligent systems capable of learning, adapting, and evolving. Consider the field of healthcare. Today we have robotic prosthetics that can mimic the dexterity of a human hand, and exoskeletons that enable paraplegics to walk again. The potential for robotics in medicine is immense, with researchers envisioning a future where nanobots could swim through our bloodstream, repairing cells and fighting disease. In education, robotics is revolutionizing the way we learn. Children are now building and programming their own robots, fostering critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Meanwhile, universities are exploring the use of AI-driven robotic tutors that can adapt to a student's individual learning style. Even in our homes, robotics is making a mark. Robotic vacuums and lawnmowers are becoming commonplace, and smart home systems are increasingly harnessing the power of robotics to automate tasks and improve our quality of life. But this is just the beginning. The future of robotics is ripe with possibilities. Picture a world where robots assist in disaster recovery, explore the furthest reaches of space, and even care for our aging population. This isn't science fiction, it's the future we're building. There are, of course, challenges to navigate, from ethical considerations to potential job displacement. But as we've seen throughout history, innovation often brings disruption. It's up to us to steer this robotics revolution in a direction that benefits humanity. As we can see, the world of robotics is not just a dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Now imagine being able to edit human genes, much like editing a document on your computer. This isn't some far-off science fiction concept, it's here, it's now, and it's called gene editing. Gene editing in its most basic form is the process of making precise, controlled modifications to specific genes in a cell. Think of it as using a pair of molecular scissors to cut and paste DNA at specific locations. This technology, commonly known as CRISPR-Cas9, has opened up a world of possibilities in the field of genetics. The current state of gene editing is impressive, to say the least. Scientists have already used it to edit the genes of plants, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. In medicine, it holds the potential to treat and possibly even cure a myriad of genetic disorders. Imagine a world where conditions like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease are things of the past, but the power of gene editing isn't restricted to just treating diseases. It could theoretically be used to enhance human capabilities. We could edit genes to increase our intelligence, make us stronger, or even change our physical appearance. This is where the real power of gene editing lies, not just in curing diseases but in fundamentally redefining what it means to be human. Yet this power doesn't come without its share of ethical questions. Should we be playing God, altering the very building blocks of life? And if we do, who gets to decide which edits are made? These are not questions with easy answers. They are debates that will shape the future of our society as we continue to explore the potential of this groundbreaking technology. So, while the power of gene editing can revolutionize medicine and potentially redefine humanity, it's a power that must be wielded with caution and responsibility. We stand at the precipice of a new era in human evolution, an era that we, for the first time, have the ability to shape and control. The power to edit human genes can revolutionize medicine, but it also brings about a host of ethical questions. The future of technology is indeed exciting, and we are just at the tip of the iceberg. We've journeyed through the robotics revolution, marveled at the power of gene editing, and glimpsed into a future where these technologies could reshape our world. As we navigate this exciting landscape, remember the key to understanding is curiosity and exploration. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in science and technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of science with us.